beginning of episode 13, and it's going to be a super busy week for us. We've got some drywallers here doing some work, and we've got HVAC coming in today. And then on Wednesday, in 2 days, we've got the plumber coming in to redo the entire sewage system and water lines. But since I'm here now with these nice gentlemen doing the drywall, let them introduce themselves and give you their phone number, and then they're going to tell us what they're going to do here today.
Hey, so my name is Juan, and the company name is P&J Drywallers. And then, well, his name is Pete.
All right, Pete. And the phone number to contact if someone wants drywall work
is going to be 815-386-4805.
All right, and so what are you going to do here today? You said you're going to be here all day doing what?
Installing drywall, so we can go ahead and finish the house. Yeah.
You're going to do the ceiling, you're going to overlay the ceiling.
Overlay the ceiling and put the drywall on the original drywall.
Which is about half the house.
Yeah, half the house.
Yeah. So you also pre-cut the holes where we got the lights that were installed last week?
We didn't cut them, but I'm going to make sure to cut them out so the lights can fit in.
Yeah, the electrician put those in, but you're going to make sure the hole's there so I can put the lights back up, right? All right. Yep. And then we're going to fix up this kitchen a bit also.
Yeah.
Yep.
Make it look all nice.
Make it look nice. All right. Yep. Well, let's get started. So what are y'all doing? Marking some lines?
Yeah, just for the studs.
So you know where to put screws in?
Yeah.
I thought I marked that for you with my tape.
Yeah, but we just want to make sure when we put the line, we don't want to go off the...
I need to do a better job next time, right?
Something like that.
Yeah, all right. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. ¿Echando más chapo?
No, es que apriétale bien.
See, my blue tape where I use the stud finder, and then they're marking it, so it makes it easy to line the drywall up and put screws in. So I can already tell after being here an hour, I know who does all the work.
Yeah.
Let me just pan over to the real worker here.
¿Ya lo tienes?
Yeah, like that.
And here we are again with the worker working. And this other dude, I think he's supposed to be getting water for him or something. Alright, so we have an issue here. The area to screw this in is 2 inches above. So we had to go get longer screws to put this in. Normally, the wood you're screwing into, you just butt it right up to it. But on this wall, nope. So what is this tool called?
Banjo.
It is a banjo. I thought you were joking with me. No, it just looks like a banjo. It's super fast.